In a recent video, I showed you how I was able to pick up this rcgarages.com 10 scale RC garage. And in today's video, it's going to be all about the scale accessories. I may have gone a little crazy. I went to A Main Hobbies and I found Scale by Chris. If you've never heard of this person, never heard of this brand, man, they make some really cool 3D printed scale accessories. But of course, you can't do something like that without SRC, Sideways RC Vivian. He makes all sorts of really cool stuff. So I went a little nuts, been 3D printing a bunch of stuff, ordered a bunch of stuff. Let's get started by getting all this out of the packaging and seeing how it looks. Like, how good is the detail on it? My boys and I have literally emptied a whole box full of scale accessories now, and we're starting to just kind of lay them around the garage to figure out where we think that they may need to go. We have different things here from, a little bit from Racing. I think like this fire extinguisher is from Racing. Comes with a nice mounting bracket and everything. It's really pretty cool. We got some stuff 3D printed tire stand, 3D printed mini warehouse. I can leave a link to those down in the video description. Those scale RC boxes, those are actually from RC 4-wheel drive. They're a free paper download and printout. Got a little crate. I printed some little RC cars. 3D printed the toolboxes, and then printed them in a silk PLA, silk silver PLA. I got the little scale accessories. I even did a little ladder over here to the side. But some of this I think we're gonna have to mount to the wall. We have to figure out maybe where that goes and how to mount it. But overall, it's looking pretty cool. Lots of little details. Because this is going to go in a public place, we're going to hot glue some of it down so that it doesn't fall over and need constant maintenance and touch up. There it is, officially done. My kid's helping me out. There might still be some more stickers. My son also said it's about time for some more RC cars. Also probably need to print more of them out. A couple that we have backing around, just not quite enough for what we're going on with here. But honestly, really happy with some of these scale accessories and everything. And now that we've done all that really cool work on the inside, this is kind of the problem. The outside of it doesn't really look good. So I made 3D printed bricks. These are literally 10th scale bricks of the side of my house. Literally 10th scale. They print in different sheets all around, and I provided a super ugly little black top cap up here at the top to help it out. So if you come over here and check it out now, at least when you're walking up to it, you don't see that big ugly white side. Look, it's got a pretty little, kind of a cool little edge here to give it some dimension before you come into the garage itself. Sweet! So with this thing, all of the files that I created myself are going to be on printables, and I'll leave a link to those down in the video description. All the rest of these files, if I have a link to them or if I purchased something, those will also be a link down in the video description. Now the next thing for this is it needs a home. I want to share it with other folks, and so we are going to take it to Cookeville Hobbies, my local hobby store, and we're going to install it there at the drift track so that people can check it out. Let's go do that. If you are interested in seeing this garage that I built, it's now at Cookeville Hobbies. It sits there, it's permanent, it's mounted down. So you can come there anytime now, put your car in there, take a photo. If you do, please share it on the social medias, tag me, Roadside RC, in it. I want to see these pictures of your drift cars, of your crawlers, whatever it is that you put in there. Please let me see it. I would love to do it. Shout out to all the folks that were there. And of course, this whole thing could not have been done without rcgarages.com. So if you are interested in making a garage like this for yourself, go down in the video description. I'll have a link to rcgarages.com where you can see one of these and get it yourself. Plus down there is all of those scale accessories and printed files and all that. As much as they'll let me put all those links down there, I'll share them to you so that you can create this yourself. Thank you and goodbye.